you friends, so I'm just done working and I'm ready to do unboxing because I'm so excited to open this up. Actually, na-open ko na siya, but hindi ko pa siya sinisilip sa loob. Basta in-open ko lang para easier to unbox for you guys because I have been seeing other beauty content creators using this at ang ganda-ganda-ganda sa lips nila. So I'm so excited to open this one for you guys. So Benefit recently launched their moisturizing lip balm called California Kissin ColorBalm, and as you can see, the box is so intricate and so pretty, but you haven't seen the packaging, mas mai-in love ka. You know, Benefit always wins when it comes to packaging, like no doubt. Ang ganda at ang cute na mga packaging nila, like their previous lipsticks, ang ganda na ng packaging, but they could think about something else for sure. So here we go, 4 shades. So guys, this last one is turning out to be my favorite out of the 4. Okay, yung first one kasi yung pagka-red niya, sobrang red, bright red, but hindi siya yung nakaka-bother na red. So I like it. The second one naman, the first one is called Ruby. The second one is called Nude Pink. I like it, but sobrang mas light siya sa, kasi very pigmented yung lips ko. So, mas light siya sa natural lip color ko. So, may tendency magmukha akong pale if I don't have makeup on. But this will look really, really good if I have makeup on. The third one is called Coral. Medyo I have to find myself. Personal preference lang to. Hindi talaga ako masyadong hiyang sa medyo bright orange or anything coral-ish shade. But I have to find a way I can mix probably these 2 shades. Ito yung favorite ko. It's called Berry. I can wear this even without makeup on, and highly moisturizing yung mga lip products nila. So I super love it. And kasi pag sinabi yung color balm or lip balm-ish, usually light lang yung tint. Ito sobrang opaque siya. Like, it can cover an even tone of my lips. At the same time, kanina habang ina-apply ko yung first color, as in nagka-crack and nagka-dry yung lips ko. So, naturally dry kasi yung lips ko. So, naha-hydrate siya while I apply it. So, it also works as a lip balm. So, super good siya on that department. So, anyway, here's my quick unboxing and initial thoughts on this product. And they smell really, really nice. May subtle parang scent, pero wala siyang taste ha. Naamoy mo siya during application, then it's gone by now. So anyway, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing, and thank you so much, Benefit. Have a good day. Bye!